Glam Stars, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam Star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some workouts that you can do in order to get a bigger booty at home. You guys, these are all workouts that I've tried and I enjoy them thoroughly, so I'm sure that you will too. And if you are interested in knowing about any of my favorite workout equipment, definitely check out the description box. I will have it all listed just for you. Your backside has the largest muscle group in your body, your glutes, known for their power and strength. Your glutes actually consist of three separate muscles: the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. Not only do these muscles help you walk, sit, run, and jump, but they are also famous for their curvaceous appearance. Like somebody I know. Like most other body parts, though, glutes can vary in their shape and also in their tone. And if your glutes aren't as big as you'd like them to be, there are ways to help boost the size of these muscles. Let's get into the strategies you can use to kick your rear into gear. Number 1, the glute bridge. Safe for beginners. The glute bridge isolates and strengthens your glute muscles, hamstrings, and core, while also improving stability in your hips. Number 2, jumping squats. This powerful plyometric exercise will boost your heart rate and help strengthen your glutes, hips, quads, hamstrings, and calves. Number 3, walking lunges with weights. Walking lunges are an excellent exercise for building and toning the glute muscles and improving your balance. Next up, I have the single leg deadlift. The single leg lift is an intermediate to advanced move that targets your glutes and also your hamstrings. It also challenges your balance and core stability. Next up on my list, I have the clamshell. The clamshell targets the deep glute muscles, gluteus medius and minimus, which are often neglected while performing exercises like the squat and deadlift. Smaller than the gluteus maximus. These muscles help stabilize your pelvis, prevent lower back pain, and balance out your lower body. Next up, I have the banded side step. The banded side step exercise targets your muscles and your glutes for a deep burn in the glutes. Perform banded side steps with another lower body exercise, such as squats or lunges. And last but not least, on my workout list, I have donkey kicks. Donkey kicks target your glutes in a way that many other exercises cannot. They focus solely on all three of your glute muscles and are a great move for targeting and firming your rear end. Now here's some tips that I can recommend. Try training with weights. Adding weights like ankle weights for donkey kicks or dumbbells for lunges can increase the intensity of the exercise and move you beyond a plateau. Weights can also make the exercises more effective. Now another thing to look into is shapewear for a curvier body. Although targeted exercises can help boost the shape and tone of your butt, you won't see results right away. If you want a bigger, rounder, firmer butt right away, shapewear works best. Designed to lift and enhance what you already have. Shapewear can help bring out your natural curves and make your butt look more defined. And for this specifically, I'd recommend Fajas and or butt lifters. They will definitely help your butt to look better, bigger, plumped up, and more defined in just minutes. But keep in mind that when you take these garments off, it may not be the same effect. So definitely keep that in mind, okay? As with most body parts, rear ends can come in all shapes and sizes, so always remember to love the way that God made yours. Everyone was not meant to look the same, and if we were, we most definitely would. So embrace what God has already given to you, but don't forget that there's always room for improvement if that's what you'd like to do. If your backside is on the smaller side and you'd like for it to appear more curvaceous, there are definitely ways to go about this, like most of the things that I've mentioned here in this video. But I definitely never recommend you doing anything that will jeopardize your health or your well-being, so definitely make sure that you are doing what makes you feel best.
Afraid, emotions getting in your way. Afraid, but why you let me fall in love if you're afraid to commit? And don't call me in the middle of the night and say that you're not able to be loved. That's not right. No, I don't wanna be that one. Still a million miles from you, so I'm gonna let you go. Oh boy, if you only knew.
And that is all that I have to share with you all on today. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to hit that thumbs up button, and also check out my source for this video down below in the description box. It is always listed for you guys. And before I leave this video, I'm not gonna leave you all hanging. Let me share with you all my Glam Star of the day. I want to thank you so much for sharing with me some comment section love, and thank you for supporting your girl's channel. It is greatly appreciated, and my glam fam never ceases to make me feel amazing. And if you're looking to be featured in my next video, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on, because when you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.